Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Modern bathroom cabinet ideas have ushered in a new era of bathroom design, seamlessly blending form and function to elevate the aesthetics and practicality of these spaces. These innovative concepts have transformed bathroom cabinets from mere storage solution onto a statement piece that define overall ambience of the bathroom. A prevalent trend in modern bathroom cabinet design is the embrace of minimalism, characterized by clean lines and sleek, uncultured designs. Many of these cabinets feature hidden handles or not at all, contributing to a contemporary and spacious feel within the bathroom. The resurgence of natural materials, particularly wood, has made a significant impact on modern bathroom cabinetry. Wood brings warmth and connection to nature into the bathroom environment when combined with materials such as glass or metal. It creates a striking contrast that enhances the overall aesthetic appeal. Customization remains a cornerstone of modern bathroom cabinet ideas. Homeowners seek personalized solutions that cater to their unique storage needs and preferences. These cabinets offer incorporate ingenious features like built-in organizers for toiletries and hidden compartments, ensuring both convenience and stylish appearance. In conclusion, modern bathroom cabinet ideas have redefined the possibilities of bathroom design. They offer a wealth of options to cater to different tastes and requirements, ensuring the bathroom cabinets not only fulfill their practical function but also serve as integral elements of contemporary interior aesthetics. Whether embracing minimalism or exploring contrasting materials and colors, these ideas empower homeowners to craft bathrooms that are both functional and visually stunning. Thanks for watching. Was what? Subscribe and like Interior Design channel.